To send or transfer money from a Trust Wallet to another wallet. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and enter the passcode to access the homepage. As Trust Wallet is a crypto wallet, direct money transfers are not possible. Instead, you can transfer an equivalent value of cryptocurrency to the recipient's wallet. For example, if you want to transfer $500 and have $1,000 worth of Bitcoin and $5,000 worth of Ethereum in your Trust Wallet, you can send $500 worth of either Ethereum or Bitcoin to the recipient's wallet. The recipient can then sell the received cryptocurrency to obtain the cash equivalent. This is the only way to transfer money from a Trust Wallet to another wallet. By using the cryptocurrency route, you send the cryptocurrency equivalent of the desired amount to the other wallet. And then the recipient sells the cryptocurrency to receive the cash. This process allows you to successfully transfer money, or rather, cryptocurrency, from your Trust Wallet to another wallet.